Good morning, children. Today we will do some craft work. We will learn today how to make a bird by folding paper. This bird we have to make. For this we need a square paper, colored paper, a pen, two eyes, and any type of glue stick. What we have to do first of all, we have to fold this paper in a triangle shape. Then once again a second fold again in a triangle shape. Press the edges nicely. Now for the beak, we will fold a small triangle and take up one part of the paper and fold it upward just to make a beak of the bird. For wings, we will fold this paper like this. In the second half of the paper, in the same way, we have to keep one thing in our mind while making this. We have to match all the corners with each other. Corners should be matched. Now second fold for the wings. Press it properly. Now it's turn for sticking these joints. We can use Fevicol or any sort of glue to paste it. Press it properly. And let it dry for few minutes. Now take a sketch pen to color the beak. You can use yellow color also if you want the beak in yellow color, but red is more attractive than yellow. It will look more beautiful. Now it's time to paste eyes. That's it. Your bird is ready. Now you can make it yourself. Okay, try it at home. Bye-bye.